Hey guys, Damon Hunt the Forex trading levels here. I've already done 2 videos tonight trying to get this right, and my last one was another squeaky one. So I'm going to make this super fast tonight because I want to get this out before it's too late. But quickly, I took a vacation from Thursday to now, and it was awesome. I was on a little island. I brought a laptop so I wouldn't have to not update this thing, and my laptop crapped out, basically, in a nutshell. So I got a vacation, real vacation, which I'm not complaining about, but I wasn't able to do any levels for you guys there. So anyway, in fast forward. Okay, so quickly, our daily, we hit our monster level here. We had 0.38.2 gives us a target, and it basically hit it pip for pippity pip, which was beautiful. I wasn't here for it. 21.59. Oh, bang! Is that exactly the level it hit too? Is that how disgusting that was? No, it didn't even hit it. 2 pips away. So sneaky. Anyway, I'm sure if I had done this, like zoomed in and done it properly, it would have been more accurate. But anyway, so that level's been hit. We've already had a 150 pip move out, but I'm pretty sure we're going to get a bit more because that's a monster level, and you can expect something, you know, I don't know about 500 pips, but you know, let's minimum 300 maybe should be, you know, if we're going ratios here. So we already had very quickly here. What am I doing? Oh yeah, we already had a break breathe. Bling. Good. So I have selling levels where I've taken this full leg, and I'd like to sell out of the 38.2 area, and I'd really like to sell out of the 50 area. The reason I like the 50 so much is I have a Fibonacci that also says hello in this area. And the reason I like the 38.2 level so much is I have a different kind of Fibonacci that says hello in that area. And that is why I like this level, and I like this level as tests. But tonight, I want to trade her up. I would love to trade her up if she gives me the opportunity. So, where would I like to trade it up? We have a small level in here that I'd like to look at in the 5-minute with you guys, and that is this level. Could be that, could be this, whatever. In that area, we'll just put it. And also, if you take a full retracement from this move, this is 5-minute, remember, so don't get too excited about these levels. But yeah, it depends if you want to take it from that level or go right to the spike. But anyway, this area may be quite difficult for the market to move through. I would really like it to make a lower low, but it might not be able to before we continue up. So the way to track this little guy is throw your trend line down here. Look for a break breathe, a nice one, by the way, like sexy, not you know, not tootly spike down and through. You want it to come down and tootle along the trend line, something like that, or wait for your MACD to cross, or whatever it is your thing is that gives you some sort of a momentum going up out of this area, instead of catching the knife where momentum you know, it's just crossed the MACD coming down and blah blah blah. And you don't want to do that. Don't try and catch this area because there's such a nice area below it. The reason why the area below it is so nice is, first of all, we've been making a lower low for the day, which would be super fantastic. And you have the pivot, you got the L3, and you have the full fib here. Gives you a 38.2 here and a 50 right there. That's the baby. That's the one I like. I love this level. If it could come down to there, I would buy. And what I would be looking for, this by the way is a buy at around 22.45, and I would be looking to get out of this trade. Probably 38.2, 23.60. I mean, even if you got out of that trend line for 90 pips, that'd be nice. Let's see what we got here with this little fib. Yeah, so if you got it at 23.30, that'd be a real safe exit on this move. And it's, you know, I think it's about 80 pips or something, 45 to 30. Yeah, 80 pips with slippage and spread and all that crap. So that's a really nice area to get out at. You don't have to fuck with this big trend line coming down and get, you know, watch it and babysit it, and, you know, it should be quick. You know, you get your trade and that's it. Is there anything else there? That's basically it. I like those two trades trading up, but remember, this is a context trade, the one out of this area. So I'd like to see bull moves and support and crap like that. But oh, another thing about this, the pivot in the L3, is that you got this swing high, the last swing high here, which is at the same area, and you got this last swing high here, and you have this whole area of resistance all in the same area, right? It's just a tough level at the 22.43 basically area. Tough level. So I really like that to trade up. And then I have those two trades down, which, well, whatever. But what was the other thing I was going to show you here? Fibs. Fibs are working really nice right now. So you take a prior market fib like this one, and you got, it goes against you 6 pips maybe, and for you 30 pips. So that's fibs working for you, right? That's very sexy. Then we take the 2/1 fib and see if that worked. Oh, look at that, fibs are working. So I really like it when the fibs are working and you got nice structure, so big support levels. This is the kind of levels that I like, and we're sitting on huge resistance, which I absolutely love. We haven't done any major retracement out of this area yet. It would have been nice to trade this, but there we are. I wasn't here for it. I should go on vacation more. We'll hit bigger levels and have better trades if I go on vacation more, it seems. So let's see if that works better here. That's a break breathe. Run it through there. And yeah, perfect break breathe. Jesus. That was a beauty. And then I think there's another, if I zoom in here, I mean, trades seem to really be working. Oh my God, look at that. Right? Bring it through here. Break, breathe. And look at, you count the candles, 1, 2 candles up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles down. It comes down to support. It's phenomenal. Now check this out. Not only is it a break, breathe, but it's also, oops, a dead-on 50% retracement. Hallelujah! Like things are working like a hot damn out of here. That's not a tough trade to miss. It's a tough trade not to take when you're sitting there for it. So that's nice. It's really nice when you get those trades that super convince you to take a trade. You haven't got any retracement out of this big level that was hit here, 2162, and you're getting a just everything's going your way. Break, breathe, on a retracement level, fibs, everything. And that's at 2211. So how many pips did you? You're out 50 pips, and you still make, even up into the first level, sorry, which is down here, 100 pips. Fantastic. And you didn't have to convince yourself, the market convinced you. I love it. Easy, easy peasy. Those are the exact trades that I like to look for. And what time did that happen? Oh, it was a New York trade to boot. Sneaky. Anywho, okay, so it's going a bit long here, but so I'll be back regular now, and see you guys soon. Bye.